Welcome back to It's Coder. In this video, we're diving deep into VO3 and Grok AI, two powerful tools launched in 2025. One creates cinematic video from just text. The other rewrites how creators interact with AI using real-time knowledge. But the big question is, which one is smarter for creators like you? Let's start with VO3, Google's answer to high-end video creation. It turns a short text prompt into full movie scenes, complete with camera angles, lighting, sounds, and even dialogue. You describe a scene, and VO3 animates it, like having a virtual film crew at your fingertips. On the other side, we have Grok, developed by xAI and built into X, formerly Twitter. Grok isn't just a chatbot. It's a real-time AI brain that helps creators brainstorm ideas, summarize news, write full scripts, and even generate code instantly. Let's put them head to head. You give VO3 a prompt like, a man walks through a rainy alley, slow dolly shot, neon lights, voiceover, some nights the city never sleeps. Within minutes, you get a cinematic scene ready for editing. With Grok, you say, give me a 5-minute story about a lost android in New York, with 3 acts and emotional voiceover. Boom. The script is ready with dialogue, twists, and scene transitions. VO3 gives you visual storytelling power, like directing a film with just words. But it doesn't write the story. That's where Grok shines. It's the idea machine, giving creators structure, dialogue, pacing, and even emotional beats. Together, they're unstoppable. Alone? It depends on what you're making. If you're a filmmaker, YouTuber, or short video creator, VO3 is a game changer. If you're a writer, content planner, or idea generator, Grok will save you hours. But if you're both, combine them. Let Grok write it. Let VO shoot it. Welcome to the future of content creation. In 2025, AI tools like VO and Grok don't just help, they co-create. You bring the ideas. They bring the execution. And when you master both, you become unstoppable. Like this breakdown? Subscribe to It's Coder for more AI tools, tutorials, and tech tips. Comment below. Would you rather direct with VO or write with Grok? And stay tuned. In the next video, we'll create a full short film using just these tools. Like this breakdown? Subscribe to It's Coder for more AI tools, tutorials, and tech tips. Comment below. Would you rather direct with VO or write with Grok? And stay tuned. In the next video, we'll create a full short film using just these tools.